Hey guys, I'm Harshmim Chandani here. Welcome back to my channel Tech on Point. In this video, I will tell you guys which laptop brand is the best for you. So do like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Apple was established in 1976 by Steve Jobs, with its headquarters situated in California. It is amongst the best rated brand. Their MacBooks are liked by many people, and their Mac OS is still the best operating system for professional coding. Apple is well known for its Mac OS, premium build, and good customer support. However, in India, even Apple is unable to provide customer satisfaction because of high charges, less value for money products, and honestly, average after sales service. Unlike North American regions, MacBooks are way overpriced in India. Dell is an American company that is widely famous for its products. It has got a good reputation here because of its product quality, after sales service, and customer support. Dell's XPS series gives us the best ever ultrabooks in India. From a professional to a traveler, it is in everybody's choice list. Dell's products are nice. However, many times their products don't provide a good value for money. Many times they also charge premium prices for repairing and stuff. But still, an average Indian will surely watch out for Dell's laptop. HP is a multinational IT company. Its headquarters are also located in California. HP has the highest number of laptop customers in India. It has its biggest market in India. Like Dell, HP owns a big name for its after-sales service. Earlier, the laptops were a bit overpriced, but now according to the market, they are providing a lot of value for money laptops. The build quality of their laptops are not so good, it's average, and they are also not so durable. However, they feel sturdy. Lenovo is a very popular Chinese company established in 1984. Lenovo is mainly famous for its business class laptops. Its laptops are not the best when it comes to style and design, but they are durable. Lenovo have their laptops in every budget. However, people in India have started boycotting it because of its Chinese tag. Asus is an all-rounder in laptop market. It is having every kind of laptop, from ultrabooks to gaming laptops. They offer great value for money and most of their laptops are bang for the buck. However, if you think that you have to make compromises, then you are certainly wrong. You can trust their quality. Even in 2020, where every laptop is overpriced, Asus still provides great value. Asus is a good brand, but surely they don't provide as good service as Dell or HP. One thing to mention is that Asus is not a Chinese brand and its headquarters are located in Taiwan. Acer was established in 1796 with its headquarters in Taiwan. Acer has a competitive nature and its Predator series is very famous in India. They usually offer good battery backup in their laptops. Acer provides good products for reasonable prices. The demands of their laptops are increased in India. If you are buying a gaming laptop, then it is sure that you have heard about its Predator series. If you are looking for a gaming laptop, then most certainly you would have come across laptops from MSI. This brand is a gamer's delight. They manufacture various PC parts and owns a big name in it. They also manufacture some of the world's most advanced and powerful gaming laptops, but still, they don't have that much popularity in India. Also, they don't have their service centers everywhere, and they mostly provide below average after sales service. For some of the best Windows hardware on the market, you should not look further than their Surface brand. They are best known for their tablet-like hardware designs. Their customer service is a bit better than average. Microsoft provides good hardware, but their products doesn't justify the price. However, if you want a Windows tablet, then the best brand that you should consider is Microsoft. So, the final words are that if you want great service, then you should go with Dell or HP, not Apple in India, as their service is not so good here. If you want value for money, then Asus, Acer or Lenovo can really be a good choice. If you are a gamer, then MSI produced some good laptops, along with ROG and TUF series of Asus and Acer's Predator and Nitro series. And finally, if you are a programmer, then there is nothing better than MacBooks, at least for you. Also, if someone is in a search of good hardware and portability, then you can consider Surface lineup of Microsoft. So that is it for today guys. Hope you liked this video. If you did, then please drop a like, share this video and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Signing off.